but recontextualize it and imagine it in a different way. So I love the idea of being creative with technology, which is usually considered quite sterile, quite cold, but how can you use that to inform creative, projects and interactions that really are actually quite analog. So the juxtaposition of analog, which is about the heart, and I think women, spirituality, and sorry, I keep hitting the mic. That's an interesting territory to explore. It takes you out of your comfort zone, and I think this whole festival is about going to places you've never been before. So I love that. I love adventure. So, and I think, that's what I love about it.
All right, ladies, thank you so much. 5 minutes flies by when you're having such an interesting conversation. Social media consultant and graphic designer.